Workflow of high-purity magnesium ball press. A. High-purity magnesium ball press. Before boot, cleaning debris, fixed bolts. Check whether all bolts of the machine are loose or fall off. After removing the load, the ball press is allowed to start. 2. High-purity magnesium ball press test machine. First, use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation, such as no other noise. Normal operation can be started. 3. When feeding the high-purity magnesium ball press, the electric feeder should be ensured to feed evenly and according to the warehouse pressure. The electric feeder should be adjusted to the best effect. 4. After the end of each shift, the material in the bin of the high-purity magnesium ball press should be used up, and raw materials should not be left behind to avoid starting with load in the future. Finally, normal stop or emergency stop as opposed to driving sequence. This is the workflow of high-purity magnesium ball press.